Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, which is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Instagram app. After that, just simply come to your profile section, and then here you can see the three lines on the very top right. Just simply tap on the three lines and you will get a settings and privacy option. Just simply tap on that option and tap on account center and go to personal details and click on account ownership and control and select deactivation or deletion, and then just simply select your Instagram account, and deactivate account option is just selected by default. You just simply need to click on continue option. Here just select any of the reason, just need a break and scroll down and click on continue button. So this is a very last and the final step for the temporary deactivation of your account. If you want to temporarily deactivate your account, just simply click on deactivate account. So it says guide me 38 is not deactivated temporarily. So this is how you can easily deactivate temporarily your Instagram account. So you can see that we have just simply get our account back by just relogging it again. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys.